In my last video, we learned how we can back up a group policy object to another server. Now, if something happens, how we can restore those backed up group policies. For that, I'm going to delete this group policy, Google Chrome installation. This particular group policy which we have created to install the Google Chrome. I'm going to delete that. Click on delete. So do you want to delete GPO or links it in this domain? This will not delete the links in other domains. Whatever, we are going to delete it for permanently. Click on yes. So what happened? This particular group policy got deleted permanently. So it will not be visible here. This is lost from everywhere. It was attached to IT department or it got even lost. Now we want to restore that particular GPO. For that, what we have to do, we have to click on GPO, right click over here, manage backups. It will automatically show the location where it is backed up. So, and you can see the Google Chrome over here and restore that particular group policy. I'm going to restore it. Do you want to restore the selected backup? Yes. Okay. So it is restoring those backup which I have deleted just now. Click on OK. Click close. So we can see that group policy has been restored. Now what happens? It was attached to this IT department. It was linked to this IT department OU, but when you restore a group policy object, you will lose the link, whichever it is attached, that link will be lost. So we'll have to link it again. For that, you have to go to the department and click on link an existing GPO and select this group Google Chrome installation and attach it again. And even whatever WMI filter we have given, and if we have given some shared path, all this will be lost when you are restoring it from the backup. So you'll have to do it again when you are restoring it. So keep that in mind. When you are restoring a GPO from the backup, you will lose the WMI filter. You will lose wherever or whatever OU you have linked, that link will not get automatically linked again. You'll have to manually link that GPO to that particular OU. So this is the way how you can restore a group policy from the backup. So we'll meet in another video. Bye.